Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to generate a consistent AI characters in MidJourney. Let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to create a detailed character prompt. Start by writing a very clear descriptive prompt about your character, like their physical traits, the outfit details, facial expression, pose or position, and then the background settings, like for this example prompt here. And then also you can use the MidJourney's character reference feature if it is available. Then you can save your prompt's character. Once perfected your character's prompt, save it in a docs or note app and then reuse slightly for different poses, expressions or settings and more. Then you can add a style consistency including your specific art style or influence in every prompt, like for this example. And that's it. You've simply created a consistent AI characters in MidJourney. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.